CNC Machine Tools, offering excellent machining performance. Tools with a sharp cutting edge. And skilled technicians. But are these enough to realize the improved cutting and machining precision and increased machine operating rates machine tool users so strongly demand? No. What else then is required?
ツールセッターというのは非常に精度がいいので、プリセッターで測った数値を機械に入れて、それに基づいて工具調測定をさせて、機械の中で測った数値を補正して削るということで、もうほぼ一度で終わってしまいますから、単純にその立ち上げ作業が2分の1になると。
うちの会社の場合は24時間稼働してて、刃物が折れた時などそのまま刃物が折れた状態で加工を進めますと、不良ですね、不買品を作るということで、そういった時に助かりますね。
やっぱり一番いいのは、昼と夜の温度差とかそういうところに対応して工具調が夜なら夜の時間に測れるというのが一番メリットだと思います。
反応対応と、高精度高品質のものが上がりまして、お客さんの方から大変喜ばれております。
As you can see, Metrol tool setters allow increased machine operating rates, improved machining precision, and prevention of defective machined parts with only a minimal investment. Let's take a closer look at these three advantages that Metrol tool setters offer machine tool users. Retooling used to require the time of skilled technicians to take measurements, calculate, and enter data. Metrol tool setters allow setting the origin and measuring tool length simply by making contact with the tool in a single operation. Thus, Metrol has enabled operating rates of CNC machine tools to be increased dramatically. The actual cutting and machining environment are continuously changing through thermal expansion of the machinery, tool wear, and other factors. This makes it extremely difficult to maintain high machining precision. Metrol tool setters allow tool length to be measured to an accuracy of 1 micron, while allowing entry of correction values. So, high machining precision can be maintained even during unmanned operation. Further, when tool breakage is detected, the machine is stopped automatically to prevent defective machined products. Metrol succeeded in developing the world's first CNC lathe tool setter in 1983. The development of this product revolutionized the machine tool industry. Metrol is also developing and producing unique high-precision ampless contact sensors. Metrol's tool setters demonstrate repetitive accuracy of 1 micron, even in harsh environments with dispersed cutting oil containing cuttings and other debris. Metrol's tool setters are more durable in harsh environments and provide more stable precision than laser-type sensors. They also offer better parallel balance than swing types, enabling use of larger contacts. And they demonstrate higher precision than electrical current systems. Products are manufactured by skilled technicians in a clean environment and are shipped only after having undergone rigorous quality checks. Metrol's tool setters have received numerous awards, including the Director's Award of the former Science and Technology Agency, recognized to be the ultimate technical authority in Japan. ISO 9001 certification was acquired in 1997. Metrol offers a full line of CNC lathes, machining centers, and other products specifically designed for each type of machine tool and manufacturer. Metrol tool setters are used by over 70 machine tool manufacturers in 17 countries and have been installed in more than 400,000 CNC machine tools. Metrol is currently accepting orders from 62 countries via the Internet. Metrol eagerly awaits any questions or inquiries you may have regarding our tool setters to get you started on increasing the operating rates of your CNC machine tools, improving machining precision, and preventing defective machined products.